So I take food there. So assalamu alaikum. How are you trader? I think all are you fine. So today I take some trade and according to my and take a step on Martingale, and I try to also take two step Martingale to uh, to know you that how much valuation of this market. So I win this trade and I will take another trade here because I think market will be up, but there is a little bit chance that has the kind of should be gap the fill. So but I think market should be up, and I'll take another trade here for the safetyness. Okay, and wait for the result. I think I will be win last two trade. Okay, because market already gap the fill. Okay, so market should be up this level. Okay, so wait for the result. Okay, okay, look at the market. There is a very good. Let's also take. Okay, wait. So I win this trade. Okay, look at I won this trade for 6 minutes, and I think market will be up there because Balaji already gave up this field. Market should be up from this level. Okay, okay. So I take horizontal. I draw horizontal line there. Okay, I try to trade on real market, not OTC market. Okay, if you are new, you should try to trade on real market, not OTC market, because OTC market is not always uh, run of prediction. It's go to the level. Okay, look at the market. Market already go up. Okay, wait for this result. Look at the market. So there is a good entry. I own this trade. Okay, today I also try to trade another trade, some trades, and try to take the Martingale is Martingale, and I also to go to twist Martingale. Okay, because we are not know the about Martingale, you should know the Martingale. Okay, okay. There is no place, but just try to some trade. Okay, but yeah, okay. Market. There is a label. If I lose, then I take Martingale. I also go to 2 step, 3 step Martingale to recover my losses if I lose. Okay, but yeah, your the prediction should be right. Then there has been uh, some candle come off, so to lose your money. So, but you should be smart to recover losses, and then you have to be right to your trade. Okay, there is chance for up, down. Okay, but okay, I avoid this. Okay, so you have to wait for this opportunity. Don't be hurry. Okay, because it's important then profit to lose. You should be focused on your lose. If you don't be lose your money, take a small profit, not lose your money, real money. Okay, so wait, take some update. I think there is not market is not okay, but I also try to take up trend there, but market is not good there. Okay, I think I okay market selling pressure. I take another lead also to invest $100. If I lose, then I will use Martingale because I think I lose this trade. Okay, I had trade on $100 and I will Martingale the $115. Okay, so I think market. Okay, okay, market. Okay, I also go to up another my first step martingale, but I think okay market is losing. Okay, so I check here update another for my martingale. Okay, I use $150 as my martingale. If I lose, then I will use more money. Okay, because market there has not the first any level, but I should not take there. But for this make bit I take there, but market is not good there. Okay, if I lose, then I used second step martingale. Okay, because I already lose 150 and 100, almost $250. Okay, then I used double amount to recover my losses. Okay, I use $400 to recover my losses. Okay, I lose this state, but I should okay wait for if market is down, then I will use up. Okay, wait. Okay, oh market, place is not good. I try to use this label um uh, the down of this red candle, but market, there is a risk, but I think market should be a green candle, but for my placement maybe I will lose. Okay, if I lose, then I'll use loss the state, but I think market should be up from this or at least this level. Okay, if I win this day, then I will profit, huge profit from today. Okay, then I will stop today maybe. Okay, with this trade. Okay, so I lose $250 and I earn $700 plus. So, okay, so today I almost profit $600, six to $700. Okay, so this is the things. If you should be right your thinking and your placement, then you can make money from there. Okay, so I also take there up there because market should be up from this level. Okay, so this state also win this state. If I win this state, then I will stop today because I already earn at least $700 today. Okay, so if you are new my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, please comment below. I also support you if you are new. Okay, so this is the things, and if we have any doubt about trading and don't know about this any trade, please watch my playlist.